Hello friends, welcome to Tech Lovers at SEF. Now today we will understand very happily a basic concept of transformers. Like what is the basic calculation of transformer, how it works and everything. So transformer it was introduced in the year of 2017. Basically, it's a subset of a neural network itself. So if we will talk, then the after neural network, it comes inside the recurrent neural network, where the RNN is handling the sequentially, but transformers is a next stage of RNN and it handles the input parallelly. The key components of transformers are encoder decoder, multi-head attention layers, feed forward neural network, and positional encoding. Now we will understand each of these, but step by step, slowly and very nicely. Now within that attention layer, the first type of attention is self-attention or intra-attention. It allows model to focus on a specific input area. It do not focus on the entire area. This model is specifically focused on one particular area. This model enables the models to understand the relative importance of each input component in a sequence. So each component is very much calculated, and to understand how much important is that, it is further used to relate the correlationships. It do not consider all the input component at the same time. And we will talk about the working of this. So it is mainly divided into three parts: query, key and value. Query, key and value. So calculation is basically a dot product calculation. The query is getting dot product with the multiple keys, and then it's given to the softmax, and then a probability is created, and we will understand with a simple example. So to perform a self attention, we create three vectors of every word in the input sequence. The first is key, then value, then query. Key represent the word itself, used for matching against the other word. Suppose I love somebody. So I is a key here. Okay. So it represent the word itself. In case of I, in case of love, the key is love. In case of somebody, the somebody is a key. Value represent the information that is content of the word. The word, how much information it's containing. Okay. And what we want to attend to. The query itself, the word currently we are focusing on for the calculation of and find the relevant words. We will understand it. Let's see. So the example I'm taking here is I like cats. Okay. The simplified vectors, imagine that these are results of the embedding vectors and linear transformations. Okay. So I has a three part: key, value and query. Key is shown as like 1.10, value 2 1, query is 1 1. Okay. Similarly for the word like, key is 0 1, okay, value is 1 2, and query is 1 0. When we talk about cats, then key is 1 1, value is 3 0, and query is 0 1. Just keep these things in mind. I will forward and backward do the slide so that you can understand. But see, every word has a three component: key, value and query. Fine. I has a key, I has a value, I has a query. Similarly, like another part. So let us understand how this attention score is created using the dot product. We will calculate the attention score for each word with respect to every other words, so that we can understand the correlation of I with the how much is with like, how much with cat. Okay, so all these mathematical calculation will happen and help us to create a further relationship. Okay, so let's see. For I, the score is the query of I with the key of I. Okay, so query of I, let's go back here. The query of I is 1 1. Okay, see, 1 1 is here. and first dot product with key of I. So key of I is what? Key of I is 1 0. So here dot product is 1 0. Similarly, if we will calculate the word score for I like, so query of I is 1 0 1 1. Okay, and the key of like, okay, see the key of like here in the second line 1 0 1. So here is we have calculated the 0 1. Similarly, see for I cats, query of I is 1 1. Okay, so 1 1 is here in the calculation. Then key of cats, the key of cat is what? Key of cat is the first line of the cat, you can see 1 comma 1. So we have calculated. Similarly for the like I like cats, so like query, and then query of like and key of I, fine. Then similarly query of like and key of like, query of like and key of cats. Similarly we go for the cats one. So for the calculation of score of cat with respect to I, we have query of cat and then key of I, then score cat like, then query of cat and then key of like, and then query of score of cats with cats, then query of cats with key of cats. So here on the final conclusion you can see 112 101 and 011. So we are able to here create the attention scores. Now we will perform the softmax. Why we to perform the softmax? Because see 1120 101 011, we want everything to be in the range of probability 0 and 1. The softmax help us to convert the final number into this probability. Okay, so for I, when we implemented the softmax, then we got 112.2.2.6 for like 101.4.2.4, 011.2.4.4. Now see what we do. We combine here. See the here we have seen there is key value and query, right? So we have find the attention score, we found the softmax. Now we have to perform and calculate the weight of every words. So 0.2 for I, 0.2.6. Here we can see the softmax finally 0.2 0.2 0.6 for I. So we will multiply with the value I like and cats, and for attending to I how much is the value, calculation value, attending to the like how much is the value, attending to the cat how much is the value. So final we will calculate for I like and cat, and we will see that 0.04 0.2 1.8. So 1.0. Okay, I with cats have a highest score. In the first for I we can see 1.8 comma 0. Similar way we have correlated every words and their values. How much is it? So like and cat is a high value 1.20. 1.20 is cat with cat. Now here we will finally do the calculation and we'll combine. We will add the values. See 0 0.4 0.2 0.4 0.4, then we will combine with 0 0.2 0.4 and 1.8.0. So what we do, we will do the calculation and summation of all the parts that we calculated for I. Similarly we will do the summation for the like, and similarly we will do the summation for the cats. And now the new representation we will get 2.406 2.2.8 2 comma 1. Now this will help us, and this computer and this transformer will save, so that when we will try to find a relationship, I like cat, then cat goes to field, cat like milk, these kind of sentences when we create, then cat is a cat like milk, cat is a favorite animal among the kids. So all these sentences if we will create and further find to come with an answer, then this calculation will work behind the mirror, and it will perform all the calculations, and we will find and reach out to the final conclusion. So result is the self-attention mechanism has created a new representation of each word that incorporate information from the other words in sentences weighed by their relevance. For example, the new representation of I is now influenced more strongly by cats due to the higher attention score than by like. So I and cat okay, is more strongly connected to each other than by like. Fine, friends. So from these kind of a small presentations and videos, I will try to let you know how the things work behind this. To understand this, we have to become some patience, and we will learn slowly and we will grow together. Thank you.